looking for a delicious and easy recipe using cauliflower, then I have just the recipe for you. These cauliflowers were on sale at my health food store this past week, so I stocked up only $1.98 for these big organic ones, so it was very exciting. And I've been making everything cauliflower lately, including this cauliflower hummus. I hope you guys enjoy the recipe just as much as I do. My ingredients are really simple. I have some cooked cauliflower, cumin, Himalayan salt, olive oil, tahini, lemon juice, and a small clove of garlic. Look how rich and creamy this is. Oh my goodness. And it's gonna firm up a little bit as it sits in the fridge. This is so creamy and delicious. It's great with crackers, veggies, spread into lettuce leaves, and pretty much great on top of anything. I've been adding it to all my meals, so hope you give it a try. Look at that. Give it a try and let me know what you think. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye. I'm gonna double dip. Top down.